YouTube, what's going on with y'all? So it's your boy Joe with Clear Out View Media, back with another video. Today I just wanted to bring you on my formula. I call it the formula for success. So if you're new to the channel and you're on YouTube just looking for videos on videography, or if you're a new beginner videographer looking for tips on music videos, weddings, or anything like that, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, and let's get into the video. Alright guys, so quick disclaimer, I'm not a professional. I'm not one of these guys on YouTube that's pretty much telling you if you follow these tips then you'll instantly get rich, or you'll see crazy results. Basically I started just like you guys, beginner videographer, shooting music videos, didn't have expensive gear at all, and I was just looking on YouTube trying to find any info that I could, and it got to the point now where when you're a beginner, you don't have that much access to capital as is. So a lot of these platforms, they want to talk about gear that you can't afford, but they've been doing it for like 5-6 years. So they have like the $3,000, $4,000 cinema cameras. They have the crazy expensive lighting setups. And basically what I made this channel for is just for beginner videographers, whether you're doing music videos, you could do portrait videos, and you're just trying to get your foot in the game, get some things off the ground. So basically when I give tips, these are tips I apply to myself. Like I said, I'm also a beginner videographer. I've only been doing it for about 8 months. So these tips, like I said, I give to you guys basically off of what I'm learning, things I'm just trying, try and fail. Some things work, some things don't. And if you're new to the channel, like I said, definitely leave some comments. Let me know if the tips work, or if you have some of your own tips that you want to share with the group. That'll be definitely appreciated. So enough rambling. Let's get into this video. My formula for success. Let's get it. My formula for success, that first starts with mindset. What I mean by mindset, when you first start out in videography, you're trying to get your feet wet, you're trying to build your portfolio, so you do a lot of things for free. If you got a homie that raps, you'll try to link up with him, maybe shoot a video for him, just to get your feet wet, build your portfolio. As you progress, you definitely want to set up a business structure for your business. That means LLC, get all that paperwork straight, just so later on down the line, when you get to where you want to be, you don't got to worry about all that stuff. Then you can just get it out the way now. That's one less thing you have to focus on. Mindset also includes just branding, as far as the business aspect, branding yourself. Do you have a logo? When I go on your Instagram page, is that cohesive? Does your Instagram page explain what it is that you do? If you have a YouTube channel, does that explain what you do? So these are things you definitely want to think about. And looking at yourself as a business, that also includes about just how you deal with clients. So are you taking deposits? And I said this in my last video, if you're definitely charging for your videos, it's definitely time to start taking deposits, only because it saves you time and headache in the long run. And that kind of weeds out the BSers, the bullshitting artists. I know it's a lot of videos on YouTube about bullshitting artists, but people will try to bullshit your time, tell you a place and what time, and you get there and the time comes and they just don't show. If you had that deposit, that's kind of like a security that the artist will show, that show that they're more serious. Another thing, are you constantly learning? Are you constantly working on your craft? When I first started, I would get on YouTube every day. Like I said, look up everything possible. It was almost obsessive how much I would just stay on YouTube and try to find as much information I could learn, from gear to my camera to maybe what camera I might want to upgrade to later on, to ND filters, which one should I buy, which one should I not buy. A lot of it was trial and error, because you can only get so much off of Instagram. Eventually you have to try it for yourself, but Instagram's a good start. Are you going on vlogs? Are you going on blogs? Are you joining videography forums? Are you reading? Just things like that, just shifting your mind to focus on business, not even so much of the creative side, just focus on yourself as a business. Are you writing a business plan? Where do you want to be in the next year? I feel like yearly goals, monthly goals, they all work just so you can keep track of your progress. So that's definitely the first part of the formula, but let's get into some more. Another part of the formula is definitely consistency. Whatever you do, whether it's videography or not, it's just be consistent, stay consistent. If you have an Instagram, are you posting every day? YouTube, are you posting at least once a week, or sticking to your schedule? Whatever schedule you set for yourself, are you being consistent with that schedule? I feel like the more consistent you are, the more things will happen for you, the faster it'll grow. It takes time, it won't happen overnight, but if you're consistent, I believe you will see results. So that's one of the main things I try to do, is stay consistent in whatever I do. For example, I like to vlog. I just started vlogging. Every day I come out here after work and I just vlog. I'll go home, I'll think about a topic, I'll sketch it out, I'll come out here right after work and I'll just get it done. And that's me trying to be consistent, growing my brand. And I know if I post enough on YouTube, eventually, people will see it and they'll like it, and I'll send them to my Instagram page. If you see at the end of every YouTube video I do, I'll link my Instagram name into it. So that's just being consistent, and it's also business mindset. I'm trying to, at least build 2 platforms at the same time. So if you never heard about me on Instagram, but you watch my YouTube, well, now you know what my Instagram page is, and vice versa. If you never knew I had a YouTube channel, just looking at my Instagram, I have a link to my YouTube channel, and you can find it that way. So it's definitely about being consistent in whatever you do. So let's get on to the next tip. So the final part of my success formula would be investing. Any business you go to, they'll tell you investment is key. And what better way to invest than in yourself? Everybody else out here making money, starting businesses, and you'll buy their products. People love Gucci, you'll go buy Jordans, PS5. Everybody's buying other people's products. So when are you going to invest in yourself? I feel like that's one of the main things. Invest in the gear, invest in the education, just invest in time. Investments are key. Like I said, we all started out with the gear we could afford. Like I said, I started out with a $600 camera and a 24mm lens that came with the camera. I had to build off that. I just used that gear. I learned my camera, and as I got better, as I got sharper, and I realized how to work what I had, that's when I started investing in new lenses. Once I learned how to work that lens, I invested in more lenses. Then I learned about lighting, so I invested in some lights. So you definitely want to keep investing, buying new gear. You can't look at it like spending money, because honestly, $600 camera, you'll make that back if you're charging right. You'll make that back off 1 or 2 videos, easy. Lights, you'll make that back off 1 video if you're charging right. Stands, like a lot of these things you buy starting off, you could definitely make back within the process of you just working and practicing and getting sharp. So definitely invest in yourself. Those are like the main keys, and just the success formula starting off. So I hope this vlog was helpful. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like and subscribe, leave a comment, let me know if any of these tips were helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.